Una welcome. Okay, so today we'll go start with chapter 2 of our Bible story we started last week. If you never listened to chapter 1, the link is there for below. I make we start our new story. Today now the fall of man, now we won't look chapter 2. So when God don't make everything finish, he can't put Adam and Eve for inside the most beautiful garden ever. The garden get fine flowers, fine trees, fine everything. Clean river can't even they run past the middle of the garden. Birds they sing for trees and all the animals they walk freely inside the garden. God can't tell Adam and Eve say may they take care of everything, no. He can't say may they come marry, may they come born plenty pidgin we go fool the whole earth. Now he can't tell Adam say make him name all the animals where he make. Adam can't start to name all the animals one by one. No. He can't name giraffe. He say I will call you giraffe. He see tortoise. Now he say I will call you tortoise. He see every other animal. Now he can't name all of them one by one. He name all of them finish. God can't tell Adam and Eve say make una chop anything we dey for inside this garden. But you see that tree we dey for inside there, the one we dey inside the middle so, that tree we dey for inside there so, the tree of knowledge and of good and bad, no touch am because that tree, if you eat am, bad things go happen to you. Adam and Eve can agree to do as God talk. One day, when Eve just dey carry herself dey waka for inside garden, just dey waka for inside the middle of the garden, now he can't reach that tree. As he reach that tree, we God say me they not touch so. We say bad thing will happen if they touch am. Now him one snake, one yes snake like that cool snake, come look am say, Eve, God say make una eat from every tree we dey for this garden, abi? He can say, yes. God say make we eat from everything, but he say this tree where we see so, this one we dey so, make we not eat from at all. He say if we chop from that tree, bad thing will happen to us. Now in the snake can say, I don't think say bad thing will happen no. If una chop this tree, because the food they very delicious. God just no want make una be like am, because if una be like am, una go know everything, both good and bad. The woman can't see the fruit. He can't see as it dey very tasty, as it dey look very delicious. Now he can't look and he can't say, it go good to be like God though. And it go good to know what it be bad and what it be good. Now she can't pluck one of the fruit. He can't chop am. He can't say, okay, I'll carry the remaining one, go give Adam, make him to chop. As soon as Adam chop the tree fruit, now him eye just open. The two of them, their eye just can't open. They can't see say they don't do bad thing. As they don't listen to what God tell them, they can't see say they don't wear anything. They just dey naked. Fear can't catch them. They can't run go hide, make God for not see them. When God come later, come they find them so that I go gist with them. He just they shout, Adam, where you dey now? Eve, Adam, where una dey? But they don't already know say they don't do bad thing. Now you can't ask them whether they shop for this tree where you say me they not shop from. Adam can say, now Eve not make me eat am o. Eve can say, no be that snake where you put for inside garden not make me eat am. God can vex for them where. Now he can say, me they come up for the fine garden because they don't listen to waiting tell them make they not do. He can't say from now on, una go find food by una self. Una go dig ground where to find food. Everything una go find and it go hard una to get them. And when una don't old, una will come die. God can't put angel for the garden front so that they not go fit come back again. God can't look the word way he make. He can't nod the ear say, Shay, see this word where I create oh. It not just correct again. Everything don't scatter. It can't cause the snake. Say, see this snake so. You will go make woman chop this tree so. Na ground you go dey waka, you no go get leg again. Na so Adam and Eve take waka comot for the fine garden wey they put them o. Just like that, because they just disobey God, say make we not chop fruit. As fruit many for that garden, they still go chop the one wey God say make dem not chop. Na so we see am o. Na thank you. We go talk again later, eh?